Hey there, cold sufferers! Are you tired of feeling under the weather and desperate for relief? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we're going to share 100% natural ways to beat a cold in just 24 hours. That's right, no more driving through days of misery. So, if you want to kick that cold to the curb and get back to feeling your best, keep watching. Stay hydrated. Now, let's dive deeper into the importance of staying hydrated when you have a cold. It may sound simple, but it's one of the most crucial things you can do to support your body's natural defense mechanisms. When you have a cold, your body produces more mucus as a protective mechanism to trap and eliminate the invading virus. However, this increased mucus production can lead to congestion and discomfort. That's where hydration comes in. By drinking plenty of fluids, you can help loosen that stubborn mucus and promote its expulsion from your respiratory system. Plus, staying hydrated helps to soothe your throat, prevent dryness, and maintain the optimal functioning of your immune system. Water is always a fantastic choice as it's essential for all bodily functions, including maintaining proper hydration. If you want to add some flavor, you can infuse your water with slices of lemon, cucumber, or a sprig of mint. Not only will it taste refreshing, but the vitamin C in lemon can also give your immune system a little boost. Don't forget about the power of juices. Freshly squeezed juices, particularly those rich in vitamin C, can provide additional nutrients to support your immune system while quenching your thirst. Orange juice, grapefruit juice, or a blend of various fruits can be delicious options to keep you hydrated and nourished. Remember, dehydration can worsen your cold symptoms and prolong your recovery time. So make it a priority to keep a water bottle or a glass of your preferred fluid nearby at all times. Aim to drink consistently throughout the day, even if you don't feel particularly thirsty. But be cautious with beverages that can have a dehydrating effect, such as caffeinated drinks and alcohol. These can actually exacerbate dehydration and should be consumed in moderation or avoided altogether while you're battling a cold. Now that we've explored the importance of hydration, let's move on to another powerful weapon in your cold-fighting arsenal, the magic of rest. Your body needs time to heal, so make sure you're getting plenty of rest when you have a cold. This means going to bed early and taking naps during the day if you need to. When you're battling a cold, your immune system is working tirelessly to fight off the virus and restore your health. Sleep plays a vital role in this process. During sleep, your body releases cytokines, which are proteins that help regulate your immune response. These cytokines are crucial in fighting off infections and reducing inflammation. Getting enough rest also helps conserve energy and redirects it towards the healing process. When you're awake, your body uses energy for various activities, but when you're asleep, that energy can be redirected to support immune function and repair damaged cells. Additionally, quality sleep is essential for proper cognitive function and overall well-being. Lack of sleep can impair your ability to concentrate, make decisions, and even weaken your immune system, making it harder for your body to fight off the cold virus. So don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep and those rejuvenating daytime naps. Creating a sleep-friendly environment is crucial for maximizing your restorative rest. Make sure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet. Consider using earplugs or a white noise machine if you're sensitive to sounds. Keep electronic devices out of reach, as the blue light emitted from screens can disrupt your sleep-wake cycle. Instead, engage in relaxing activities before bed, such as reading a book, practicing deep breathing, or taking a warm bath. These activities can help calm your mind and prepare your body for a restful slumber. Remember, rest doesn't just mean sleep. Taking breaks and allowing yourself to relax during the day can also contribute to your overall recovery. Listen to your body and give it the time and space it needs to heal. Now that we've discussed the importance of rest and recovery, let's explore the power of humidification and how it can provide relief for your cold symptoms. A humidifier can be a game changer when it comes to easing cold symptoms and promoting respiratory comfort. By adding moisture to the air, a humidifier can help to loosen mucus and make it easier to breathe. But what if you don't have a humidifier? Don't worry, there's another simple and effective way to enjoy the benefits of humidity: steam. Steam can provide immediate relief for congested airways and irritated nasal passages. It helps to moisturize and soothe the respiratory system, making it easier to expel mucus and breathe more comfortably. Taking a hot shower or bath can create a mini steam room right in your own bathroom. The steam from the hot water works wonders in opening up your airways and relieving congestion. As you inhale the warm, moist air, it helps to loosen mucus and reduce inflammation in your nasal passages and throat. It's like a natural decongestant that provides instant relief. To maximize the steam's effectiveness, you can also add a few drops of essential oils known for their respiratory benefits, such as eucalyptus or peppermint oil, to the hot water. These oils contain compounds that can help clear your sinuses and provide a refreshing sensation. If you prefer a more targeted approach, you can create a DIY steam inhalation by pouring hot water into a bowl and placing a towel over your head to trap the steam. Lean over the bowl and inhale deeply, allowing the steam to penetrate your airways and provide relief. Just be cautious not to get too close to the hot water to avoid any accidental burns. Whether you choose the convenience of a humidifier or the simplicity of steam, both methods can significantly alleviate congestion and help you breathe easier when you have a cold. The added moisture soothes irritated tissues and promotes the clearance of mucus, providing much-needed comfort during this time. Remember, maintaining a comfortable humidity level in your environment can also support your overall respiratory health, even when you're not battling a cold. Dry air can exacerbate congestion and lead to further discomfort. So, consider using a humidifier, especially during the winter months or in dry climates, to keep your respiratory system happy and hydrated. Now that we've explored the benefits of humidity and steam, let's move on to uncover some natural remedies that can further boost your immune system and speed up your cold recovery. When it comes to finding natural remedies for cold relief, essential oils can be a powerful ally. These concentrated plant extracts have been used for centuries for their therapeutic properties. Let's explore how essential oils like eucalyptus, peppermint, and lavender can help relieve congestion and open up the airways. Eucalyptus oil is well known for its refreshing and invigorating aroma. It contains a compound called eucalyptol, which acts as a natural expectorant. When inhaled, eucalyptus oil can help break down mucus and reduce congestion, making it easier to breathe. You can add a few drops of eucalyptus oil to a diffuser or inhale it directly from the bottle for quick relief. Peppermint oil is another popular choice for congestion relief. Its cooling and menthol-like properties can provide a soothing sensation and help alleviate nasal congestion. Peppermint oil works by opening up the airways, promoting better airflow, and reducing the feeling of stuffiness. You can diffuse peppermint oil or mix a few drops with a carrier oil and apply it to your chest or temples for a refreshing and invigorating effect. Lavender oil is renowned for its calming and relaxing properties, but it can also offer benefits for cold relief. While it may not directly open up the airways like eucalyptus or peppermint, lavender oil can help soothe the respiratory discomfort and promote better sleep. By inhaling the gentle aroma of lavender, you can create a peaceful environment that aids in relaxation and supports your body's healing process. When using essential oils, it's important to dilute them properly and use them with caution, especially if you have sensitive skin or respiratory conditions. Apart from inhalation, you can also add a few drops of essential oils to a carrier oil, such as coconut oil or sweet almond oil, and gently massage the mixture onto your chest or back. This can provide localized relief and help clear congestion in the respiratory system. Remember, essential oils should be used as complementary therapies and not as a standalone treatment for a cold. They can provide symptomatic relief and support your overall well-being, but they won't cure the underlying viral infection. If your symptoms persist or worsen, it's important to seek medical advice. Remember, the key to conquering a cold lies in supporting your body's natural healing processes and boosting your immune system. By incorporating these natural remedies into your cold-fighting routine, you can alleviate symptoms, soothe discomfort, and accelerate your recovery. But we don't want this journey to end here. We want to hear from you. Share your experiences in the comments section below. Have you tried any of these natural remedies? Did they work for you? Do you have any other effective natural remedies to add to our list? Your insights and stories can inspire and help others who are battling a cold. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on health and wellness. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to share it with your friends and family who could benefit from these natural cold-busting strategies. Together, let's create a community of knowledge and support as we strive for optimal health. Remember, your body has incredible healing abilities, And with the right tools and mindset, you can overcome a cold and get back to feeling vibrant and well. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and here's to your health and well-being. Stay strong, stay natural, and stay well.